India just signed a cyber defense deal with Israel that most people are ignoring, but it might be the smartest strategic move of the decade. Here's why this matters more than you think. Israel didn't become a cyber powerhouse overnight. Since 1973, they have quietly rebuilt their entire approach to digital security. They have built something rare, a national system where government, private companies, and universities actually coordinate during attacks instead of pointing fingers. They have turned their mandatory military service into a talent pipeline, identifying kids with unusual math skills and putting them straight into intelligence units, solving real problems, not theory. The recent Hamas and Hezbollah conflicts showed how modern warfare actually works now. Before the October 2023 attack, Hamas ran small digital probes on border systems. Nothing dramatic, just enough to create confusion when the real assault started. Hezbollah tried overwhelming Israeli banks with attacks while probing water and electricity systems. Then those pagers exploded in September 2024, likely compromised deep in the supply chain months earlier. Warfare isn't cyber or physical anymore. It's both, constantly feeding into each other. India's new partnership gives access to this operational knowledge. Joint training programs, real-time threat intelligence sharing, and crucially, frameworks for using AI in security without turning into a surveillance state. India produces tons of engineers, but few end up in defense cyber roles. This deal creates pathways into Israeli universities and companies where they learn under actual operational pressure. The timing matters too. India's expanding its digital presence across the Gulf and building economic corridors through the Middle East. Israel's already worked with UAE and Bahrain on cybersecurity, meaning India gets tested frameworks for protecting infrastructure in regions where threats are constant and sophisticated. What makes Israel's approach transferable isn't the technology, it's the mindset. They treat every attack as a lesson, every vulnerability as organizational feedback. India's challenge is replicating that across a democracy of over 1 billion. Read Suraj Yadav's article at therise.co.in to dive deeper. Link is in the description box. Please hit the like button if you found this valuable. Also, do subscribe to this channel for more such videos.